Hello and welcome to another update video about STX. So STX has reached here basically that 61.8 extension level and target that I mentioned in the last videos. We've then seen a pullback into a support zone, and it, while that level was reached, it seems like this entire structure from the I just see I need to change the wave degree, it seems. Just need to change the wave degree here. Let me just do that quickly. So it seems like this wave one that started end of January, yeah, it seems to be missing a wave, it seems. So I'm still looking for one more high that could target the area between $3.42 and $4.09. Can't really give you a more accurate target because we haven't got a low in place yet for wave four. At least it's not very clear. So could the low already be in this wave four? Yeah, might be. Too early to say. It reached the support area and it touched it today actually. So, but I think that was communicated already, this support area, in previous updates, or if not in a video, then in one of the signals for gold members. But we've had a nice reaction already. Seems to be up today slightly, but to complete wave 5 of wave 1, we would like to see it get above that last swing high, obviously. So should get above 338. But ideally sort of into this region between 341 and then the next larger fib level at $4.09. I mean, I can give you a sort of maybe more specific or some ideas for targets based on what we have right now. So one way of measuring is take the length of wave 1. We compare that with the length of wave 5, assuming, however, wave 4 is bottomed, which is not entirely clear yet. But then we'd be looking at 360, yeah, the 100% extension level. Or another way of doing it is to take the length of waves 1 and 3 together. We go to the low of the wave 4, but then we're looking at the 38.2 extension next. That's at $4.04. Yeah, so these are sort of the levels to watch. My assumption that there should be another high in this structure is valid as long as we are holding the $2.21 level. This would be quite deep for this wave 4, however. To be honest, I wouldn't want it to go below $2.45. We have structural support in this region from these previous swing lows from end of February and the 38.2 retracement level, which is the $2.45 level. And it's typically an ideal target for such a fourth wave. So typically what we're looking for is that most wave 4s reach the 38.2 retracement of the third wave. And that's a very, very, it's an interesting target. In addition to that, what we could do here is to draw a trend line. I think we have enough touch points. So you can see we have more than 3 touch points actually. And the market reacted to it again. Okay, so we maybe got a small breach of that trend line. I haven't used this trend line before. Just thought it looks a little bit as if it could be relevant, and it seems to be. So additional support there through the trend line. And maybe we can use that trend line to track the more immediate upside here. It's too early to say if wave 4 bottomed. This wave degree is too small. The microstructure is a little bit too messy. But I wanted to share with you the updated support area. I think to be honest, it hasn't moved, that support area. And the next upside targets. Seems like we are still looking at one more high, but I cannot rule out that lower support levels in this support range are tested. And but at the moment it's all looking okay. But bear in mind that it seems like we're getting close to the end of this move in what would be wave 1 of an even larger third wave, which would then be up there. Please ignore the long-term targets. Okay, so I prefer to take it level by level. It's not the most reliable chart. It worked out nicely. It rallied from support into resistance. So let's see if we get that one more high as well. And then it will get interesting in the wave 2 pullback afterwards. That's my update about STX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.